What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Haley, and in this video I'm going to be cleaning out my disgusting overstuffed fridge. So this was right after we started Whole30, and so I had just gotten a whole bunch of groceries that I just stuffed into the fridge, and it needed to be cleaned out. This was a plate of watermelon that we had cut up, and Rob had left the rinds that he had eaten on the plate and just put it back in the fridge. Does anybody else's significant other do this?
You didn't want me, you turned me upside down, and then you're in my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute.
So as I said right before I filmed this video, we had gotten a whole bunch of fresh groceries to start Whole30, and the fridge also hadn't been cleaned out in a while. I am pretty bad at cleaning out the fridge. We usually eat most of the food, and then some stuff just gets stuffed to the back, and it's so difficult to keep your fridge organized. If you guys have any tips, please help me out, because I am not the best at it. So as you can see, the first thing that I was doing was pulling everything out, checking dates on everything to see if anything was expired, and I was also checking a couple of things to see if they had sugar, to see if I could still eat them on Whole30. But when I got to the fruit and vegetable drawer, it just makes me so sad, because these are definitely like the worst parts of the fridge. Vegetables and fruit just gets pushed to the back as we get new stuff, and gets forgotten about and goes bad, and it drives me nuts, but I don't really know what to do about it.
I feel we're under attack, like they're trying to pull us back. We're the only ones who really know which way to go.
So once I got all the food out, it was time to clean it. I first started by using this awesome handheld vacuum that we have and just getting all the crumbs and things that I could get up with the vacuum, and then I took my Thieves household cleaner and a microfiber cloth and wiped everything down, making sure to get off any stains from stuff, and there were some bad ones, so you know, I need to do this more often.
Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone add some glamorous hurt, 'cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel.
As I started putting things back into the fridge, I tried to be methodical about it, and I really tried to put things in places that would make sense. In this bottom drawer here, I put all of our meat and cheese, and then obviously the fruit and vegetable drawers are still there, but I tried to be a little more efficient about it, and I will say it has been working pretty well over the last week after I did this, so I'm going to try to be better about this. But I'm curious, do you guys have some sort of system to organize your fridge, or does stuff kind of just get put wherever it gets put?
Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Paint on watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no cry.
So once everything was back inside, I wanted to clean the outside of the fridge from fingerprints. We don't have kids, so luckily no like sticky fingerprints, but our fridge definitely still gets dirty. So again, I used my Thieves household cleaner, which is what I use on literally everything in my house, and a microfiber cloth to get all of the fingerprints and dust and crumbs and random stuff off.
Find a queen, the baddest one you've ever seen.
Next up, I needed to clean out the things in the doors here. The bottom of this one door has all of our like condiments and stuff, and some stuff had been extra sticky after using it and had spilled everywhere. So you'll see I actually had to clean off the tube of tomato paste because there was stuff all over it, and it felt so good to finally get this section of the fridge nice and clean.
So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream.
So here we go. This is the fully cleaned and organized fridge. It seriously felt so good, and I'm so glad I got this done. I wanted to film it so that I could share the motivation because I really did not want to do this day, but it was so worth it and felt so good to have everything organized and nice and clean.
I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some motivation to clean out your fridge or get something done around your house. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button on your way out. See you in the next one. Bye.
I don't love you anyway.